Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Vratika. Welcome back. This video is going to be a makeup haul video. I recently shopped from Nykaa and I received my package. And this is the package that I received yesterday. Nykaa was running a huge sale where you could get up to 40% discount on your favorite brands and of course some amazing gift hampers. I had some products in my wishlist folder and few days back when I was on Nykaa's app, I found most of my products were on sale and guess what? I ordered them all. And today when I was unboxing my package, I thought why not just show the products to you as well guys. What I bought. I purchased some skincare and of course lots of makeup. So first I will be showing you the skincare products I purchased and then the makeup. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I'm Vratika. I make beauty and makeup videos. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. Starting with the skincare, first I have with me is Mamaearth Charcoal Face Wash with activated charcoal and coffee. And this is what it looks like. And this is for oil control, and why I purchased this product is that I have oily skin and lately I've been using more of charcoal face mask and clay mask, and that really helped me to reduce the excessive oil production on my skin, but I didn't have any charcoal based face wash. That is why I ordered this, and of course it is from Mamaearth, so it is paraben and SLS free, and yes, it is for oily skin especially. The next product is again from Mamaearth. This is Bye Bye Dark Circles Eye Cream. Let me just open this for you, and this is the tube. Now I was not looking for any specific dark circles removal eye cream because I don't have major dark circles because I take good sleep. I was only looking for a good eye cream because when I take off my makeup, this area, this skin under my eyes are really sensitive, and when I remove my eye makeup, sometimes it gets really dry and I had no cream for this area specifically. So that is why I was looking for a good eye cream, and then I found this cream. It says it nourishes your under eye area and also reduces the dark circles, and I was like, I'm getting a bonus in this tiny tube, so I just bought it. The last skincare product I have with me is this Biomystica Spot Correcting Anti-Acne Face Mask, and this comes in a tiny little bottle. This is actually my second tub that I have purchased. Now why I use this is because it is specifically for your acne scarring. So it reduces your scars, acne scars. I have been using this for the last 1 month and it has definitely reduced my acne scars and also prevents some acne or pimple to come out on your face really frequently. So that is why I bought this again, and I will be repurchasing it again and again. Now coming to my favorite part, makeup. The first product I have with me is this Faces Canada Ultine Pro Blendfinity Stick Blush, and this is what it looks like. This is a stick blush and the shade is Passionate Pink 02, and let me just show you the color. This is a beautiful pink color blush, and the reason why I picked this product is because summer is going to end, we are already in the monsoon season, and then winter is going to come, and in winter and monsoon season I don't prefer using powder blushes. I use more of a creamy or sticky blush, so that is why I purchased this. The next product is Maybelline New York Colossal Eyeliner. This is I think my 4th or 5th purchase, I guess. I love this product so much. It creates a precise thin eyeliner which looks amazing, which looks good, and I love this liner. I cannot say much about it. I love this liner so much, and I will be purchasing this again and again. The next product is again eyeliner, but this time it is liquid eyeliner from Biotique, and this is what it looks like. This is a jet black. Let's see how it goes in future. Then I have Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water. I have the pink one of this range, but I really wanted to try the oil infused one because I have some waterproof mascaras, and to remove the waterproof makeup we need to use a cleansing water which have oil infused in it. So that is why I purchased it. The next product I have with me is this L'Oreal Paris Pro Matte Infallible Foundation. This is actually my first purchasing of this particular foundation, and I am watching a really good reviews on this particular foundation, and I'm willing to see how it's going to look on me. The next product is again from L'Oreal Paris. This is L'Oreal Paris Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick. This is in the shade I Radiate, and this is the lipstick. I also show you the color swatch of it. This is a bright coral peachy kind of color, and this is what I'm wearing right now. The last but not the least product is this L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. And I didn't pay anything for this particular mascara because, like I said, there was so much sale and offer going on, and when I picked these two products, when I bought these two products from L'Oreal Paris, I got this mascara free. So this is a bonus for me. So these are the products I bought from Nykaa. I hope you enjoyed watching this skincare makeup haul video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also subscribe to my channel. I see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.